I'm not sure if my camera can see that moving. Guys, the water is so clear. This is insane. Oh my god. Boracay never fails to amaze me, guys. As in the shoreline, guys. Look at that. Look at that. There's a lot of fish, guys. Ganitong oras mo sila lumalabas. This is one thing I love about Boracay. Like, you can never get sick of the beach. Sobrang ganda niya, lalo na ganitong oras. Although medyo mainit talaga. Kasi nga, 12. Kasi mga ganitong oras, 12 noon. As in, tirik na tirik yung araw. Pero, pag maaraw talaga, that's how you will see the beauty of the sand. Sobrang puti niya, guys. So this is the life of a hair and makeup artist that I don't get to experience in Manila. So usually sa Manila, after work, guys, traffic na yung bubungad sa atin, di ba? Traffic, pollution, and all. Pero dito kasi sa island, after work, pwede kang umuwi or pwede ka rin magstay kung meron kang extra budget. I just stayed for one night. Mamaya babalik din ako ng Kalibo, guys, kasi I have a store there. So yeah. Wait lang, naimin ko kasi yung bag ko doon. Baka bag ko buha.